Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, let's make some mango stewed corn and tomatoes on the stove. Mango stewed corn and tomatoes. Okay, give it a thumbs up, and I have some rice to go with it. You know that. Okay, alright, thumbs up. Please subscribe, share the video, and hang around, would you? I'm going to show you. Thank you. Okay. So now I'm going to put some olive oil in the frying pan that has already heated up. And I have one medium onion cut up. This is fresh corn cut off the cob. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to add some more olive oil on the top. I added a half a teaspoon of crushed garlic. Oh, some fire would help if I get it back on. Okay, I'm going to add some black pepper. You know, it's nothing like fresh corn. You can taste the freshness. Okay, I'm going to cover this. And I'm going to let that cook for about 2 minutes. I'll bring you back. Okay. So I can see a little brown color coming through. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes. The tomatoes will let off some fluid. The tomato juice. Okay, and we're going to give that 2 minutes. Okay. Now I want to add some cilantro. That's 2 heaping teaspoons of cilantro. That's going to bring some nice flavor. Okay, now I also have some diced pimentos. Pimentos is really just for color. Let's go ahead with 2 heaping teaspoons of pimentos. Okay, I'm going to pour the juice off these mangoes. Now I'm going to add the mangoes. This is frozen mangoes that I bought and is already diced up. Let me show you the size. Like that. I'm just going to add a drop of olive oil. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of honey. Okay, that's about a tablespoon of honey. I wanted the honey to bring out the sweetness in the mango. Okay, now I'm going to add some chives for color. Everything looks red and yellow, and I want to break that up some. Okay, I'm going to turn this on low while I give you the word of the day. Love. Love is the word of the day. Love is a 4-letter word, but it is very, very powerful. So it may be small in size, but extremely big in life. You know, when you love someone, you try and you try and you try. And when you get tired of trying, you try some more. Because your heart is there and you want to really work it out. So the most important thing is just remember, sometimes you got to go through ups and downs. Sometimes you got to go through life's trials and tribulations. And sometimes you will be tested over and over and over. But follow your heart. That's the word of the day. Love. Okay, let's check on our corn and tomatoes and mango on the stove. Thank you. Okay. Oh. That corn, mango, and tomato stew looks good. Stewed corn, tomato, and mango. Wow, look at that. Let me taste. It tastes good, but I need some salt. Tastes really good, actually. A little salt would do the trick. Now, if you have not thought about adding fruit to your vegetables, you should think that over again. It's a great idea to get your fruit in for the day and also to give a nice punch of flavor, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna put this in a dish with the rice and present it to you. 1 second. Look at that, guys. What a dish, huh? Nice. Another view? Cool. Okay, so let me taste. Okay, I have it all. Rice, the mango, corn, tomatoes, onions. So the first thing I taste is the juice from the mango when I bite into it. And then comes the crunch of that corn and that nice sweet flavor that blends it all together with that rice. So now let's think about it. If you don't want to do mangoes, you can do pineapples. So you see how you can just go on and on with the choices of fruit, right? And make it your own. Okay? Okay. So thanks for hanging around. Thanks for sharing and caring. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm waiting on you. Subscribing to this channel is going to be worth your time. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.